Hey guys, welcome to demo for textbook trading app. My name is Kuram Gaba, and I'm going to be showing you features we have in this app. So let's get started. First thing, what I'm going to do is create an account for a user. So okay, so it's going to register a user for us, and it's going to send me a temporary password. So if I go right here, this is my default email account. Just go right here, showing the email account, the password. So I'm going to log in with this password. Okay, and the temporary password is KUSUNVEJ. So I'm going to log in with this password. So the system recognized that I'm a new user, so it's going to have me change that temporary password. So I'm going to do that. KUSUN. So I'm going to put in temporary password first, then I'm going to pick a password. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, something simple. 4, and I'm going to submit. So now I'm done with the registration process. So you can see my name, hello Kuram. Points, currently I don't have any points. So let's get some points. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and post a book. So let's do that. Post. I have Amazon site open on side right here, so I'm going to put some books. So let's say I'm going to put this book. The ISBN numbers are right, so let's type in some ISBN numbers. So 978-032. 1718334. Okay, this should give me a book information. Okay, there you go. As you can see, not sure what happened here, but I'm assuming the name is different. Yeah, so it's Nick Rozanski and Ian Woods. So here is the book, name of the book, and the author name. So I'm gonna suggest this book for, let's say, just let me do it for 50. Okay. Put some points. I'm gonna say 45 points for this book. I should do low more. Let's do just 5 points, just for, and then I can do any comments if I want to, which I'm not going to. I'm gonna post this book, and I'm only requiring 5 points for this book. And again, I can change the conditions and things like that. So I've posted a book. No, I'm not gonna post any of the books. So far I have a book right here posted. So again, I still don't have any points because nobody have requested my book. But if you go right here, my postings, you should see my book that I just posted. So there you go. And that's the name of the book right here on the right. Okay. And you can, again, you can edit, you can delete, and you can verify with the servers. So let's go back. Now I'm going to log in with a different user, and I'm going to try to request this book, and I'm going to show you the whole transaction. So let's do that. Log out. I also have another account with my Gmail user, so we'll do that. 2, 3, 4, I think. So now I'm logged in, and this is the points I have available so far. So I'm going to search for a book. This book, make sure I type the right name. So I'm going to do software and systems. Let's see if this book comes up. Let's see what happened. Okay, there you go. That's a book I just posted with my new user. Click right here. So again, that's the username, user email address, condition, and points. So since I had 6 points, I can go ahead and request this book. It's only requiring 5 points. So I can request this book. Just waiting for a second. Okay. Successfully request this book. I say okay. Now one thing you would notice, I just got an email notifying me that I requested a book. Again, the name is say Karam because I'm the only user of the both accounts, so my name is there, and it's telling you what book I have requested. And so this is a book I've requested a book with my Gmail account, and you would see in my DePaul account I also receive an email notifying that that somebody requested your book. So a request for a software book has been made, and you may contact each other to log into your app and accept the transaction. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go back and log in with my original user. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've logged in now. If I showed you my posting, if I go to request for me, this should show the request that I've made earlier. So there you go. It says that somebody have requested this book, which is my Gmail account right here, as you can see, and how many points they're willing to pay me again, and I can accept this or I can decline. So in this case, I'm going to accept it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's accepted now. Again, I receive another email, as you can see on the right. So each step of the way, as the request process goes through, you get an email each time. So request has been made. Now I can go to my main screen. See, I still don't have any points because when you exchange a book, the other person has to transfer the points, and we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Log off again. Log in with my Gmail account so I can transfer the points. I'm gonna do this process after I've received the book from the user. So let's say we met at a coffee shop or somewhere, and I got the book, and I'm gonna go and transfer points. So you ready? So my request, that's another option. Again, this is what I've made a request, so I should go here, and this would show me that you see available points is 1 because I've requested a book which has 5 points, and I had 6 points originally. Now I only have 1 point. After I pay this, I should have only 1 point left. So this is the book. Assuming that I got the book, and I'm just gonna hit pay, and the payment has been made. So, and again, you see the email I received right now, complete book request. So that's that. Again, 1 point. I had 6 before, now I only have 1. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna show you the new user that we created earlier, and that user should have 5 points because I just sold the book. So there you go, and you see 5 points right here. So I went through the entire transaction showing you each step of the way what you can do. So I posted a book, showed you my posting, my request. I searched for books, and I showed you requests for me. So these are the things you would use when you post a book, and same thing you would do when you have request a book, things like that. Okay. Also, I'm going to show you user settings. This is something you can do to change your username, password, things like that. So you can use this screen and change password. That's the same screen that would come up originally that when we created the account. The resetting up. I mean, when we created an account, with the temporary password, this same screen comes up, and let's say if you want to change your password, you can use the same screen. Just type in your current password. So in this case, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. So I've changed my password. Submit, and this should do it. Okay, and if I log back in with the same password, 5, this should do it. There you go. All right. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and good luck to you guys.